my video last night, so I'm working on it this morning. So guess what? Not going for a bike ride is too hot already. So maybe I'll do that this afternoon. So I still have 40 minutes, and it's 9:16. So late upload of vlog. I just didn't get around to editing it. So I was doing that and answering comments and stuff. And guys, I was priding myself on answering every single comment, and it just hasn't happened lately. So I apologize. I do go back and try to answer them from way back when, if I haven't answered eventually. So yeah, alright, so I'm going to get my planner and go upstairs with hubby and figure out what I'm going to do this weekend. Yeah. Are you good with that?
Nope.
What do you mean, no?
Nope.
Why? Because you won't have food?
I won't have any chow.
Alright. Alright, guys. Just sitting here doing my planners. This is my YouTube planner. There's really not a whole lot to plan out because I'm doing a vlog every day. So, I don't know. This I had wrote down, like, before I started Vlogust. So, probably ain't going to do that. It's just going to be a blog. I'm going to try to do the 30 bags of reflection Sunday, and then so Monday will be weekend vlog, Tuesday will be Monday vlog, so on. And I do have a Fix It Friday for Friday, and I don't have anything here. So my sister and I are trying to make the plans for Connecticut. She hadn't got back to me. So if I go to Connecticut, I will do something else for that week because I don't want to have to try to vlog and then upload all in the same day. I just want to enjoy my vacation. So I will make some other videos in place of that. I do have a few videos in my queue that I could post, and then of course maybe a Fix It Friday or something like that. Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll move this till the next week. So, yeah, because it's probably going to be, this week is when we're maybe going to Connecticut. I'm not sure. So, anyhow, so that's that. And I didn't really use my, daily list planner this week at all. I kind of used another list for cleaning, you know, like regular daily cleaning, but I wasn't using that either. I did do stuff this week. So this was my monthly self-care thing. And look, nothing got done. Well, not just self-care. There was a few other things. Nothing got done. I did make an appointment for to get my hair dyed on Wednesday. I was going to go to the chiropractor when I went shopping with my sister the other day. And then I just went home and totally forgot about it. I guess because I had got that call about my dad's car, which that saga is over. It's fixed, done. Anyway, so, and then, see, this was the 6th, which was what, Monday? And then I didn't use it at all the rest of the week. But that's alright. I don't have to. Anyway, so this is my plans for this weekend. Laundry, we're talking about going to the park by the river for dinner, taking a picnic basket and doing that. I have to reschedule a vet appointment. I need to do that now. It's getting late. And go to the post office. I want to deep clean the bathrooms this weekend. I still have to declutter that paperwork. I need to do budget update and need to mow the lawn. So, yeah, I'm going to try to combine this with Sunday's video. Yeah, so that's what's going on. I gotta go make a phone call. Okay. We're going out. What are we doing? Oh my God, seriously.
Ciao.
This is driving me insane. I need to shut up about it.
We're going through the I need a haircut phase.
Yes! This just looks stupid. I don't know. I'm gonna like hide it behind my ear. Which even looks more stupid. I don't know. So we're going to get a frosted coffee, and I guess we're getting a salad from Chick-fil-A because we're lazy. We were lazy today. We took a nap, and I guess we don't feel like going to the beach, to the river side. I don't know. Maybe we could do that tomorrow.
Might get a good sunset.
And yeah, we're gonna go for a golf cart ride, I guess. Yeah, lazy Saturday instead of a lazy Sunday. And yeah, not much to say about that. Okay, so we went for a drive around along the river in the car. Now we're gonna go for a golf cart ride. Okay guys, I made kind of a mess here. Good morning. Alright, so I decided to do my flowers this morning, but I don't have enough. I had extra, so I decided to do this, which goes in the dining room. So let me show you what I did here. I really like how this one turned out. It's so pretty. I really like using the low profile bouquet instead of like in a vase. I just think it's so pretty. And then there's this one. I don't know. I like the other one over there on the counter. This one's okay. I think I have too many baby's breath in there. Yeah. I might go get some more flowers. We shall see. Dark in here, so sorry. So I never finished my summer tablescape. And here it is, the end of the summer already. But I thought I would put this here. But Kimberly Davis from Diva Designing on a Dime, she is doing a end of summer tablescape. So I might join that. I don't know what I have going on here. I never finished it. Yeah, so just playing around with some things this morning. Okay, guys, good morning. How are you doing? So, I think it's like 11:30. So I'm going to just end this vlog because I haven't really accomplished anything yet this morning. Just fritz-fratzing around, as my husband likes to say sometimes. So I'm going to end this vlog so I can get some stuff done and not worry about picking up the camera and everything like that. So that's it. Since we did stuff yesterday, and hung out, went for a ride, I'm going to get some chores done today. Got to mow the lawn. You've seen that last week. Not that interesting. Anyway, so, yeah, I'm just going to end it. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Enjoy your rest of your Sunday, and I hope you had a nice weekend. Bye, guys. Enjoy your day.